In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Visual Studio Code in our desktop or laptop. Let us move on to the any browser and type as Visual Studio Code. Go to Google and then type Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code download, and we will be redirected or given the results for Visual Studio Code download. So this is the official website for Visual Studio Code. So let us click on this. And since I'm working with the Windows 10 machine, I need to download this particular file. Since I'm going to download, since I am using a Windows 10 machine, I need to download the respective exe file for that particular Windows machine. So mine is 64-bit machine, so that's why I'm downloading this particular 64-bit one. You can see here at the bottom of the screen, it is being downloaded. I think it has downloaded twice, so let us stop here and then right click on show in folder, and we will be able to see this particular Visual Studio user setup. So now let us double click on this particular exe file. And accept the conditions, like we need to select this checkbox, I accept the agreement, and click on next. And we need not change this particular location, so continue with the next. And here also we can just leave it just like that. And then here we need to select the options, create a desktop icon, and register code as an editor for supporting file types, add open with code action to Windows Explorer file content menu. Click on next, click on install. Now Visual Studio Code is being installed in our machine. Once this is done, we will be able to use the Visual Studio Code in our desktop or laptop. And click on finish button. Now Visual Studio Code should have been installed in our system. We should be able to use the Visual Studio Code. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more updates on C programming language.